Hello and welcome to Save Money by Making Your Own Vanilla, episode 5. So far we have not saved a dime. In fact, we are about $300 in the hole, but that's okay because we got a lot of vanilla and we are happy about that. So today's vanilla is going to be made with bourbon from McLaughlin Distillery located in Swickley in western Pennsylvania. And we have special guest with us today, John Anthony, lead guitarist for the Vindys, rock star, and vanilla aficionado. Not really, but I think he likes bourbon. So, I read a lot about making vanilla with bourbon. It sounds really interesting, and it gives you a completely different flavor. It's very rich, and it'll probably have an aroma that you'll recognize easily in whatever you use it, whatever you bake with it. So what we're going to do when our vanilla is done with bourbon, we're going to make some different kinds of cookies and kind of sample those and see how they go. So this bourbon smells wonderful, by the way. This is the 3799 bourbon from McLaughlin Distillery. And we went and picked it up Saturday, and it's a little distillery located in the foothills of northern Pittsburgh, just off of 79 Mount Nebo Road exit. And they have everything. When we pulled in, we thought this is the kind of place that looks like you could get moonshine here, and by golly, you can. They have all different flavors of moonshine. They have several different types of bourbon and whiskey, and even vodka. They distill vodka there. So it's a neat little place. Stop in and visit and support local. They do all small batch liquors. So this is June 2017. This batch was bottled. So we're going to take this delightful bourbon and we're going to vanillatize it. I also found recipes online for making cocktails with vanilla. So we're going to do our bean cutting as we have been doing. This time we're going to split the beans because when I show you the bottles later, you'll see that the split beans seem to perform best. The little cut up beans, I mean, they're no slackers either. But everything's better than the uncut beans. So we got our same beans again from the bean company I shared a picture of last week, the Vanilla Products Company, and we're going to split those. They're nice beans. That's what they look like whole. They're kind of sticky, and they just look like a smashed. Okay, they look like a smashed bean. So we split them down the middle, and this way the full vanilla flavor can come out into the bourbon when we infuse it. So. And it's pretty easy to split, even though they're kind of gunky.
You can smell the vanilla.
I know, isn't it? It's amazing. And as I said before, these are Madagascar vanilla beans from Madagascar. The best ones, apparently. That's what they say. So I didn't even bother trying any other kind of vanilla beans, like Joe's vanilla beans or anything like that. Didn't even bother. And like I said, I found several cocktails that use a vanilla-infused bourbon that sound really amazing. So we're going to try those too when we come back at this when all the vanilla is done. This will be our last episode because we're out of money. So all this alcohol gets kind of pricey, but the vanilla, they got nothing on the vanilla beans. I'll tell you what. Vanilla beans are expensive. So... but well worth it because apparently, in the long run, this will save us money. So they say. I don't know who they are. I think it's the Van Pattens, but I suppose someday they'll turn up. All right, last bean, very badly cut. Now we'll pour in our delicious bourbon, and then hopefully we'll have enough left for these 2 glasses of lonely ice cubes. Ooh, smell that. That smells good.
Smells delicious. Smells like vanilla a little bit.
Yeah, it doesn't even have that overpowering kind of bourbon smell. It smells just fantastic. There's our beautiful bourbon going into our bottle of vanilla beans. The bourbon's pretty golden already. It's got a beautiful golden tint to it. Some of the bourbon vanilla recipes had it mixing bourbon with vodka. I don't know why you'd do that. I mean, you're going for the taste of the bourbon, you know. You want that nice bourbon. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There's enough left for 2 short glasses of bourbon. It's practically amazing.
Now, does it take longer with vodka versus bourbon, or the opposite?
I don't know yet.
Mm.
I'm finding out that it's the way you prepare the beans makes a big difference.
All the difference.
Yes, because we have. I'll just put the rest of that in there. I didn't rinse my bag out this time, but I guess I'm getting, like I've got thousands of dollars into this now. I don't even care about rinsing the bag. So this is a nice bottle. I'm going to save this for another use, but I'm not sure what. Okay, there is our bourbon in with our vanilla beans. Look at that. Ooh, oh my goodness. That's going to be fantastic. Now, this is our week 1 bottle. Remember, we did nothing to the beans. We didn't cut them or anything because one of the things I read said don't cut them. So it has a beautiful smell. Actually, since you're a guest, you can smell. This is pretty nice. That's week 1.
And that's with vodka.
Yes, that's vodka. This is vodka, week 2, and these are split beans. So look how dark that is. Right. That's beautiful. This you can smell the vodka a little bit. It's like smell-o-vision. You can smell it. Yeah. Now, these are beans that from last week. Is this last week I did this?
Yes.
That we just chopped up the beans as the directions on the packet that they come in said to do. And it is not bad for 1 week.
It's like very, very potent.
You can still smell the vodka, but you're getting the vanilla.
That one's rum.
Oh, and this is in rum. That's right. Oh my gosh. What a mistake to make. Yeah, you can really smell you can smell the rum. Oh, that's going to be, now that's the one right there. That smells fantastic. And then the bourbon. Look already. It's already a little bit more golden than it was. Yeah. This is going to be awesome. This is going to be so awesome. So, thanks a lot for watching. Let's try this delicious bourbon and see how it is. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.